Hello everyone, this is Noor welcoming you all to my channel Lightly Noor. I carry 6+ years of corporate experience, and in this channel I talk about IT news and updates, job and interview tips, life and lifestyle lessons. So if you are interested in any of these, then consider subscribing to my channel. This is the third video on the series of job hunt portals. The other two videos, I'm going to put the link on the side button. If you have not watched it already, please go back and check that out. In this video, we are going to discuss the best job portals if you are hunting for a job at a startup industry. So if you are someone who is passionate about working at a startup, then consider watching this video till the end. So stay tuned on this video and smash that like button if you like watching me speak. Alright, let's get started. The first one is AngelList. If you want to work for a startup, then AngelList is the best place to hunt for such startups. It is the best place to search for an entry-level developer's job for your favorite upcoming startups. So as soon as the startup gets their angel funding, they come to this AngelList and list their job openings. With AngelList, you need to create your account and you need to complete your profile before you start searching for a job. It is not like other platforms where even if your completion rate is 50 or 60%, you can start hunting. But you do get an option of auto-filling all the information by uploading your CV. So you can automate your task of manually filling all the fields by uploading your CV. It might sound a little cumbersome to fill the entire profile before starting your job hunt, but if you see the brighter side of it, most of the people drop out because of this. Hence, the competition of the job seekers are really low. So if you are someone who is ready to invest some time and complete your profile, then this could be a good place for you to search for a startup jobs. Second is Product Hunt. This is another website whose job board I really love. At first glance, you would see that the job listings are very small, but I assure you that there are enough job listings. The reason why the listings look small initially, because it gets updated very frequently. So you won't find the openings which are closed or which has already expired. The job listings get updated in this portal at least once a day. Almost all the listings which I found on these websites are of really cool companies and organizations. Third is Startuppers, another awesome site to find a startup specific jobs. The job types ranges from marketing to data analysis, but the major focus is towards the development and the engineering jobs. In this portal, you do not need to have an account to search for a job, but if you want someone to spot you and find you, then you need to sign up and upload your resume and complete the profile. But to look for the job and search the job, you do not need an account. Fourth is Startup Hire. Startup Hire is another job portal for startup jobs. In this portal also, you do not need to create an account to search for a job. What I liked about this portal is that you get an option of marking an opportunity to be a favorite, so that it gets saved somewhere and you can come back and revisit later. In the other websites, you don't get this option of marking anything as favorite. So if you lost that, you lost it. You again have to go through the search process. But this feature, I really liked it. Please check it out. So you can search for a job here without creating a profile. But again, for the employers to spot you, you need to sign up and upload your details, resumes, and fill up your profile. Fifth is Y Combinator. It is one of the most famous portal for startup jobs. So if you want to work for a YC-backed startup, then this is the place for you, because they list the job openings only of a YC companies. Some of the job openings will be for a brand new YC companies, and some of the listings for the established YC companies. Although the job listings on this portal is not that large, because it targets a specific niche of startup, which is YC backed startup. So if you are specifically looking to work for a YC backed startup, then this is the place for you. It will save you time from going through the hassles of filtering the jobs into the other portal if you're specifically looking for these companies. But yeah, that's all for today. Hope this video was informative. If yes, then smash that like button so that it helps the video reach to a larger audience, and share this video with the relevant job seekers. Consider subscribing to my channel if you like my content. Thank you so much for watching me. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, good luck and stay tuned.